Welcome back to my Python YouTube channel, DESI ASTRO. And in this Python tutorial video, we will be learning about how to customize your XY ticks in a Python Matplotlib plot. So basically, ticks implies that see you have your x-axis and your y-axis. So the minus 40, minus 20, 0, 20, 40 are the ticks for the x and y-axis respectively. So customizing our ticks implies that you want to control these ticks as per your own needs or your requirement. So what requirement you may have. So default by default this axis has been created by these numbers on x and y axis. Now suppose you want to control the location of the ticks as per your own needs. You want to make other colors. By default it is say black, and also like you want to increase its font size and also make a bold face. You want to also change the font name, and also like you want to give some rotation, like you want to write this minus 40 20 on a tilted axis. And also like suppose you want to turn off these ticks for your plot, so those things you can customize. So let's see how to do it. Okay, so initially we have a plot for x and y axis, simply a scatter plot. Now what we'll do, we'll customize your ticks. So I will just type here as a comment, customize x ticks. So for that, just type command plt.x ticks. And now suppose we have like minus 40, minus 20, 0, 20, 40. Now suppose I want to give as say minus 50, minus 50, minus 40, minus 30, then 10, 20 and 30. I want to give the ticks location at these data points. So this way I will give an array and it will goes on that. Okay, so there is mistake. Okay, so now see it. Now your x ticks has been changed and it has been given as per your own need. So these are like minus 50 to 30 and 10, 20, 30. So this way you can customize your like ticks location as per your own need. Now rest what you can do, you can change its color. So just type color. So initially it is like black. Now we want to give say green color. Okay, so see you have customized your say that this x ticks with a green color. Now suppose you want to make the font size bigger. So font size keyword and give some value, say 20, and let's see what happens. Okay, see your font size has increased. Okay, so for time being I am giving just remove it so that they cannot be closely packed. Call it minus 10 and then at minus 1, 20, 40 and this 50. Okay, now see now it's looking better. Okay, so you have customized your x ticks. Now suppose you want to uh, you have increased your font size, you can increase more if you want, 30. See it has increasing but it is coming closer. Okay, so for timing we'll keep 10. Now it's fine. maybe you can make it 20. Okay, so this much you have done. Now suppose you want to rotate these uh, ticks. Just put rotation, say rotation equal to say 45 degree. Now see what happens. See, this has been rotated, so it is looking some fancy, in a fancier style. Now suppose what you can do, you can also give it a bold face. So for that, type keyword font weight and give it as a bold. See, your font is getting bold face. Now you can also give it as a font name, font name, and give it say cursive, cursive. Now see it is has some changes. So this way you can make it, and you can also change it to say serif. Okay, so see your font name has changed. So in a similar way you can also, and one thing you can also give label. Suppose you want to write a string into this place, you can also write. So for that, just type your command label, and you need to give a character or string. So just type A, you have given B, then you want to give C, then D, then E. So you have 336. So there should be F. So there should be equal numbers. Now okay, so see, now you can see that your numbers has been replaced with replaced with alphabetical words A B C D E F. So this way you can customize your ticks labels. And so same thing you can do for your white ticks. So for white ticks, now just type purity.white ticks. Now suppose you want to turn off your white ticks, so just give empty array and let's check it what will happen. See, your white ticks has been completely disappeared from your Python plot. So this way you can do one more customization, and rest of things you can just copy and change it if you want for the okay. So yeah, I think that will be good, because just you have to copy paste from each other. And so this way you customize your X ticks and Y ticks. So if I give this one, it will make turn off the Y ticks. So your Y ticks has been disappeared. So this way you can customize your X ticks and Y ticks as per your own needs. So I hope this tutorial has helped you to gain some insight about customizing your X and Y ticks as per your own needs. And if you think this video has helped you to gain some insight about uh, Python plotting in a very good style, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can share with others, and also you can comment in the comment box that how much this video is useful for you. So thank you.